dhalinyarta maansiiyaqaanka sidii Cabdullaahi Xasan iyo dhalinyarta ku soo kacday qurbaha oo saad u aragtiinba ama aad u aragteen dhawaan waji cusub u yeeshay suugaantii ama masraxii ama maasooyinkiiba marka waxaa hogaaminaysa faahfaahintooda Nimco Faarax oo ka mid ah xubin meertada soo dhawaada
a part of a song. If you guys know this, please help me out and sing along, okay? And tell the lion there's to speak, the tails and hunting will be weak. Nobody knows this song? Come on. I'm gonna try again. And tell the lion there's to speak. Nobody? Okay. Alright, and tell the lion learns to speak, the tales of hunting will be weak. My poetry hails within the streets, my poetry fails to be discreet. It travels across the earth and seas, from Eritrea to the West Indies. It needs no boundaries, no seas. It's studied in the hearts of Greece. Who knows what comes next? Okay, so that is a song by Kenan, and the reason I picked it is because it kind of expresses what I'm about to talk about next and what the presentation that we're about to have next. Masraha or Hadaan. I'm going to try to not stress because I know there are some of my friends in the audience that don't speak Somali. Is the role of theater in the lives of young people today in America and how they use it to speak about some of their issues, okay? There are going to be some questions that we're going to ask basically about the issues that they're facing, how they're expressing them, and how what they're talking about today is different from what has been talked about in the past.